Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best product recommendations. Today, we're diving into the best kitchen knife set with block, a must-have for every cooking enthusiast. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, finding the perfect knife set can transform your culinary experience. Stay tuned as we review top options to elevate your kitchen game. Number 1. Hundop Knife Set with block. This knife set is a versatile and practical choice for any kitchen, combining durability with high-quality performance. Constructed from stainless steel, the knives are resistant to rust, ensuring they maintain their sharpness and usability over time. With 15 essential pieces, this set is ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. It includes a range of knives, such as the 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch Santoku knife, and 8-inch serrated bread knife, as well as 6 serrated steak knives for effortless slicing. The included kitchen shears and built-in knife sharpener integrated into the block make this set even more practical. Each blade is carefully honed for maximum sharpness, enabling precise and efficient cutting for various kitchen tasks. The set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup hassle-free, though drying the knives after washing is recommended to maintain their condition. The sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, making it a stylish addition to your countertop. This set also makes for an excellent gift, combining elegance and functionality in one package. With a warranty provided for added peace of mind, this set is a testament to quality and practicality. Whether preparing a family meal or hosting a dinner party, this knife set is a dependable and attractive choice for everyday use. Number 2. Henckeels Knife Set with block. Crafted with over a century of expertise, this knife set offers professional-level sharpness and durability. The German-engineered design ensures precision cutting, making meal preparation smooth and effortless. Each blade is precision-stamped for durability, offering a lightweight feel without compromising strength. The set includes a wide variety of knives to suit every kitchen need, such as an 8-inch chef's knife, 7-inch hollow-edged Santoku knife, and a 3-inch paring knife, as well as 6 serrated steak knives and professional honing steel. The hardwood knife block not only provides safe storage but adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. These knives feature a satin-finished blade that stays sharper longer, reducing the frequency of sharpening. Cleaning is a breeze since the blades are rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe, though hand-washing is recommended to extend their lifespan. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and control, allowing for precision work with minimal effort. This set is more than just a collection of tools, it's a long-term investment in quality and efficiency. Perfect for both home cooks and professionals, the Henckeels Knife Set combines functionality, style, and reliability. Its superior craftsmanship makes it a worthy addition to any kitchen, and the timeless design ensures it will remain a favorite for years to come. Number 3. Carote Knife Set with block. Combining modern design with exceptional functionality, this knife set is a must-have for any kitchen. The blades are crafted using precision laser technology to ensure sharpness and accuracy, making food preparation faster and more efficient. Each knife is made from premium stainless steel, which resists rust and stains, maintaining its pristine condition over time. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, a 7-inch Santoku knife, an 8-inch bread knife, and 6 steak knives, along with kitchen shears and sharpening steel. These tools are housed in a 14-slot hardwood block with non-slip feet for secure and organized storage. Full tang construction and triple riveted handles provide stability and control, while the ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. This set is designed to handle everything from delicate slicing to heavy-duty chopping, making it a versatile choice for both everyday cooking and special occasions. The knife's durability guarantees long-lasting performance, while their sleek design adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Perfect for home cooks and professionals alike, this set makes a thoughtful gift or a valuable upgrade to your culinary tools. Offering a combination of precision, durability, and style, this knife set is an excellent investment for anyone passionate about cooking. Number 4. Cuisinart Knife Set with Block. Bringing together superior craftsmanship and functionality, this knife set is designed to elevate any cooking experience. The high-carbon stainless steel blades offer unparalleled precision and accuracy, making them ideal for a variety of culinary tasks. The set includes essential knives like the 8-inch chef's knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, and 6 steak knives, along with kitchen shears and a sharpening steel. Each knife features a triple riveted handle, ensuring a secure grip and optimal control. The full tang construction adds balance and stability, while the durable safety bolster enhances safety during use. The knives are housed in a stylish wooden block that keeps them organized and easily accessible. Cleaning is simple, and the knives retain their sharpness with minimal effort. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this set guarantees lasting quality and reliability. The timeless design of the knives makes them a perfect addition to any kitchen, whether you are a home cook or a professional chef. Their versatility and durability ensure they can handle everything from intricate slicing to heavy-duty chopping. This knife set is not only a practical choice but also an elegant one, making it an excellent gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Number 5. Ninja Knife Set with Block. This knife set redefines efficiency and precision with its innovative design and professional-grade features. Made from premium German stainless steel, the blades are rust-resistant and razor-sharp, making chopping, slicing, and dicing effortless. The ergonomic handles are chef-approved, offering a comfortable grip and balanced feel for maximum control. The standout feature of this set is the built-in never-dull technology sharpener, which ensures the blades maintain their superior edge for over a decade. A simple swipe of the lever engages a dynamic stone sharpening wheel, restoring the knives to their original sharpness within seconds. The set includes an 8-inch chef's knife, a 7-inch santoku knife, and 6 steak knives, among other essentials, all housed in a durable and stylish block. This foolproof sharpening system eliminates the frustration of dull knives and ensures consistent performance for years to come. The durable, wear-resistant handles and full tang construction add to the set's professional-grade quality. Perfect for everyday use or special culinary projects, this knife set combines innovation, durability, and ease of use. Whether for home cooks or professionals, it offers exceptional value and reliability, making it an indispensable tool in any kitchen. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.